Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sustainable Environment. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of LEED Green Associate (LEED certification, a crucial step for anyone looking to make a mark in the green building industry. We'll break down the details of the certification process, from initial study to passing the exam, and explore how this credential can elevate your career while promoting sustainability. Let's get started. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. LEED accreditation is available in 3 levels or tiers. Tier 1 LEED Green Associate, Tier 2 LEED Accredited Professional, Tier 3 LEED Fellow. LEED GA. This is a professional credential offered by the US Green Building Council, USGBC. This designation is aimed at individuals who want to demonstrate their understanding of green building principles and practices, including those related to the LEED rating system. Chapter 1 Introduction to Green Building and Sustainability. The LEED Green Associate (LEED GA) credential provides an entry-level certification for individuals seeking a foundational understanding of green building practices and the LEED rating systems. It is designed for professionals who are new to the field or those validating their knowledge of sustainable building principles. There are no formal prerequisites, though familiarity with green building concepts is beneficial. Preparation resources include the LEED Green Associate Study Guide, LEED V4 Reference Guide, online courses, and practice exams. The exam covers various LEED rating systems, sustainability concepts, and is available at Pearson VUE testing centers or online. Certification enhances job prospects, professional credibility, and offers a pathway to advanced LEED credentials. Conclusion. Green building practices, guided by LEED, address various aspects like location, transportation, water efficiency, and indoor environmental quality, reflecting the complexity of sustainability and the role of credentials like LEED GA in advancing green building knowledge. Eligibility and preparation. 1. Prerequisites. There are no formal prerequisites for taking the LEED GA exam, making it accessible to a broad range of candidates. However, some familiarity with green building concepts and LEED standards is beneficial. 2. Preparation. Study resources. Use a variety of resources to prepare. 3. LEED Green Associate Study Guide provides a structured overview of the exam content and practice questions. 4. LEED V4 Reference Guide offers comprehensive details on the LEED rating system, including credits and requirements. 5. Online courses, available from various providers, often including interactive materials and practice exams. 6. Practice exams help familiarize you with the exam format and types of questions. Let's take a moment to understand the 6 main categories that are central to LEED certification. These categories not only guide the design and implementation of sustainable buildings, but also form the basis of what you'll need to know for the exam. Here they are. 1. Location and transportation, LT. 2. Sustainable sites, SS. 3. Water efficiency, WE. 4. Energy and atmosphere, EA. 5. Materials and resources, MR. 6. Indoor environmental quality, EQ. Keep these 6 categories in mind. We will try go through today's content. Each one addresses different aspects of sustainable building practices and plays a crucial role in achieving LEED certification. Your knowledge of these areas will be key for both understanding the principles of LEED and performing well on the exam. Alright, let's start with first location and transportation. LT. This credit category focuses on reducing our transportation emissions by encouraging alternative transportation, building on previously developed land equipped with existing infrastructure and compact planning. For example, in a campus project or an industrial complex, 100% of gross land on campus must be included in LEED boundaries if all the buildings on campus are LEED certified. A project team can satisfy this credit by locating the development on a previously developed site. Or, a project team seeking LEED certification must prevent developing on the following land types. 1. Prime farmland defined by the Natural Resources Conservation Service, NRCS, Soil Survey. 2. Lands within 100 feet of water bodies as defined by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Wetlands. 3. Lands within 500 feet of wetlands as regulated by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Wetlands. 4. Areas that are a habitat for threatened or endangered species as defined by U.S. Endangered Species Act or NatureServe. 5. Floodplains as defined by the General Emergency Management Agency, FEMA. So, choosing the right location is crucial for reducing environmental impact and achieving LEED certification. Let's move on to the next category. Second, we have sustainable sites. SS. The site selection is the first step towards any project. Sustainable sites are a credit category that focuses on how the project building interacts with ecosystems, surrounding built environment, and site elements. Projects should start with site analysis and assessment to understand the possible and applicable strategies that can be used on site. The project team can then find synergies between the current situation of the site and proposed strategies to make the best possible benefit, and it sets the foundation for sustainable construction, so choose wisely. Let's move on to the next category. We have water efficiency. WE. This is a critical credit category within the LEED framework, focusing on the conservation and sustainable management of water resources. This category is distinct from general water conservation as it emphasizes reducing potable water use, minimizing non-potable water use where feasible, and implementing efficient plumbing fixtures. Water efficiency promotes the smart and responsible use of water resources through various water-saving strategies. Given the increasing demand on water supplies and the consequent strain on available resources, it is imperative to adopt water efficiency strategies. An integrative design approach is essential for managing and controlling water demand effectively. This category addresses sustainable measures that support the triple bottom line through the following key areas. 1. Indoor water use. To reduce indoor water use, it is crucial to select efficient plumbing fixtures that use less water compared to traditional fixtures, minimize potable water consumption by using alternative sources for non-potable applications, and continuously monitor water usage. Strategies for indoor water use efficiency. A. Install efficient plumbing fixtures. Implement fixtures that reduce water consumption. B. Reduce potable water use. Utilize alternative water sources where appropriate. C. Track water consumption. Monitor and manage water usage effectively. 2. Outdoor water use. Reducing outdoor water use involves selecting appropriate plants and vegetation, designing landscapes that minimize water consumption while regularly monitoring water use. Strategies for outdoor water use efficiency. A. Implement water-efficient landscape design. Choose plants and design landscapes to reduce water needs. B. Apply efficient irrigation strategies. Use irrigation techniques that conserve water. C. Reduce potable water consumption. Minimize the use of potable water for landscaping. D. Track water consumption. Monitor outdoor water use to ensure efficiency. Now, let's move on to the next category, which is the fourth topic, is energy and atmosphere. EA. The energy and atmosphere (EA) credit category focuses on promoting energy efficiency and reducing greenhouse gas emissions in buildings. The intent of this credit category is to encourage the use of energy-efficient practices and technologies that contribute to overall environmental sustainability. Here's a breakdown of its main focuses. 1. Energy performance. The EA category aims to improve a building's energy performance relative to a baseline. 2. Sustainable energy sources. It encourages the use of renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, or geothermal energy, to reduce dependence on non-renewable resources and lower a building's carbon footprint. 3. Energy management. Effective energy management practices are emphasized, including monitoring and controlling energy use to ensure ongoing efficiency. 4. Commissioning. Ensuring that building systems are properly installed, calibrated, and maintained is crucial for achieving and sustaining high energy performance. 5. Improving building efficiency. The category promotes innovations and upgrades that enhance overall building efficiency, from high-performance windows and insulation to energy-efficient appliances and smart controls. Now, let's move on to the next category. 5. Materials and resources. MR. The materials and resources category focuses on the life cycle impacts of materials selected for the project, and the amount of material diverted from the landfill. LEED promotes the selection of sustainable materials and the reduction of waste produced from the construction, operation and demolition of buildings. The following are general concepts related to materials and resources category. Life cycle impacts. This includes its extraction, processing, transportation, use and disposal. Purchasing policies. It determines the types of materials that should be considered for a high-performance building and how to reduce the life cycle impacts of these materials. Waste reduction. The preferred waste management strategies described by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, are source 3R, which are reduction, reuse, recycling and recovery. Material reuse or recycling are forms of waste diversion from landfills or incineration works as well. Now, let's move on to the next category. Let's move on to the sixth and last category, which is indoor environmental quality. EQ, indoor environmental quality, is a credit category that focuses on indoor air quality, thermal and lighting quality and control, acoustic design, and occupants' comfort. The intent of implementing strategies that contribute towards indoor environmental quality is to promote occupants' health and wellness through high-quality indoor environments. It has been estimated that people spend around 90% of their time indoors, which will affect their health, wellness, and productivity. Setbacks from a poor indoor environmental quality design is the lack of productivity, high rates of absenteeism, and lowered buildings value. Indoor environmental quality category requires space categorization to be determined for occupied versus unoccupied spaces, regularly versus non-regularly occupied spaces, and individual vs shared occupant space. There are also densely occupied spaces, which is based on the concentration of occupants in the space with 25 people or more per 1,000 square feet, 93 square meters. The main issues addressed in this category are 1. Indoor air quality, IAQ. Note the difference between IAQ and EQ. 2. Thermal comfort. 3. Lighting comfort. 4. Acoustics, schools only. Note, indoor environmental quality strategies are all about improving indoor air quality and increasing occupants' comfort. Now, let's have a quick LEED Green Associate exam tips. The Green Associate exam covers a lot of content but is not the most intellectually challenging exam. If you follow my step-by-step process, it will lead to a successful exam. That process is the following. 1. Complete the live or online workshop. 2. Read through the book at least once to solidify your understanding of all concepts. 3. Re-watch parts of the recorded class if needed. 4. Complete each mock exam and closely review the explanations of all correct and incorrect questions. Once you achieve 80% plus consistently on all 5 mock exams, you are ready. LEED Green Associate Exam Notes: 1 location, Prometric Center nearest to you or online. 2 length, 2 hours plus 15-minute instruction video and no breaks. 3 type, multiple choice scoring. 170 200ths is a pass, but 125 200ths is the lowest possible score. Things to keep in mind. 1 no part points, 2 no points off for incorrect questions. Thanks for watching and joining me on this journey through the LEED Green Associate certification process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into sustainable practices in green building. Until next time, keep striving for a greener, more sustainable future.